Hello everyone, you are watching Mom's Passion. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the propagation of indoor plants inside water. The precautions what we have to take during propagation inside the water we have to also discuss in this video. Always be careful while snipping or cutting from the indoor plant. We should know the node area where we have to cut the cutting. Always we have to take a very clean scissor or knife. We have to remove the extra leaves near to the node area so that there won't be any chances of rotting. And always keep the cutting in indirect sunlight so that it will be easy for the plants to grow the roots. Finally, we have with us ficus, a cutting of money plant, and then different varieties of coleus. The other one, this is a cutting of a Dieffenbachia. We also call it as the dumb cane. Three different varieties of crotons, top leaves with a small stem we have collected. This one is a cutting of a pandanus. So looks like spider, but it is not spider. This is a bitter leaf. Commonly we call it as pan leaf. This is Dracena reflexa, or commonly we call it as Song of India. We have to always remove out the lower leaves so that the chances of rotting will be reduced. Two varieties of snake plants also we have collected. This one is the yellow variegated variety and this one is the common snake plant. Snake plant is also called as Sansevieria. This is the lucky bamboo. Then the arrowhead plants, two cuttings we have collected. One is a little bigger and other one is a very small cutting. Yeah, this one the small one. Next the spider babylets we have collected, some of them. Now we will start propagating inside the water and we will use the stones to support them to stand straight inside the water. This is the boat lily or Rio plant. So beautiful it looks. Now let's discuss what is water root. So the roots which has developed inside the water are called water roots. These cuttings I grew before to explain it better. So this is the cutting of a money plant, just where the new growth has started appearing and the root has also grown well. But still it is not wiser to transfer it into the soil. Inside the water, the roots gets very easily oxygen, water and nutrients. That's the reason why the roots what are grown inside the water or the water roots, they are very fragile, soft and delicate. And some special care has to be taken while these water roots has to be transferred into the soil root. I will share a separate video where I will explain how these water roots can be transferred into the soil root. Water propagation has its own advantages. During water propagation, we can observe the process of rooting while we are growing it inside the transparent glass or bottle. We can decorate it with different places in our house. We can keep it on the tabletop. We can keep it in any corner of our house. Also, we can keep it window sill of the kitchen or anywhere where the direct sunlight is not coming. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please like the bell button and subscribe to my channel. If you like to see any other videos of this kind, please comment me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.